Hey everyone, David here from the Five and Dime Upcycled Furniture Antiques and Accents, and I am also a creative team member for Roycycled Treasures, and I'm working on this porch leaner. And to start off, I'm going to give it a coat of buttercream just to seal the wood because it's just raw wood, and then I'll come in and use some decoupage. I'm using three different papers on this. I am using first the Roycycled Christmas Tree Decoupage paper, and then I'm also using the Roycycled watercolor Christmas decoupage paper, and for a little twist and something different, the Roycycled copper decoupage paper. Once I laid down the plan and figured out which paper was going where, it was time to get it all cut out. Since there are 6 different jingle balls on this porch leaner, I decided that each one would have a different look. So I'm just coming in and I need to cut each of them out individually, doing a lot of fussy cut. And then I'm gluing it down with Fusion Mineral Paints Decoupage and Transfer Medium. Once everything was dry, I came back in and gave it a second coat of the Fusion Mineral Paints Decoupage and Transfer Medium. Let that dry, and I came back and sanded all the edges off. Since this is going to be outside and I want to protect my work, I'm using Dixie Belle's Gator Hide in order to protect the piece, and I've given it 3 coats. As the edges are just raw wood, I'm using Dixie Belle's No Pain Gel Stain in Espresso just to polish it up. Each of the little jingle balls has a little ball hanger, I guess you'd call it, or ball cap, that I came in with Fusion Mineral Paints copper paint and some glitter to give it a little bit of shine and shimmer. I found these wooden word cutouts from Michael's and it says jingle all the way. So I came in with copper paint, coated them all, then came back and used a little bit of clear coat and glitter and just adorned the jingle ball caps as well as the letters. And here are the letters as they all turned out. And next up, just glue them in place. And here's the finished product. So hope you've enjoyed. Remember, you can find all of the papers at roycycled.com to find your local retailer. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.